Now we can add terms directly to a vocabulary with this Add Term button, and let's do that. Let's open up our first blog entry so we can see what tags we'll actually need. So I'm going to go back to our resource pack and I'll open up the 14th folder here, and I'll open up the 14th step, blog entry 2019 season. So it looks like this is actually misnamed. It's 2029 season. So we'll just have to remember that when we create our title. So this one has a few tags: announcement, desert spin, extreme snorkeling, and space jumping. So let's add announcement. I'll copy the text, I'll go back to our site, I'll put it in as the name, and we'll leave everything else at the defaults and click save. When we add a term, it jumps us right back to the add term form so we can add multiple terms quickly. Let's add one more. So I'm going to add desert spin and save it. Now if we go back to the vocabulary and we click list, we'll see our two terms here. We can click on a term to go to its page. Right now the terms only have the title because we didn't add any body content, and there's no nodes yet that match this tag, so it's empty. I'm going to go back